Here's the Talk Tech. We are starting a new project on cryptocurrency. This new project is going to be about episode. Okay, so we are going to learn a whole lot about cryptocurrency. So if you are a newbie, just make sure you subscribe to this channel and also make sure you follow every video that I'll post in this channel so that you also get to have in-depth knowledge about cryptocurrency. We are starting from scratch, from the beginning, and to help you earn more on cryptocurrencies. Yes, crypto is paying, crypto is making some of us getting huge sums of money from it. Okay, so we are going to learn a lot about how you can create a wallet on any of the crypto exchange platforms, how you are going to sign up on the crypto exchange platforms like the Binance, the KuCoin, the Bybit, the OKX, the BitGet, and the rest. And also how you are going to create a wallet on the decentralized exchanges like the Coinbase, the SafePack, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and others. Okay, it is going to be the best. Okay, and also in this episode we are going to learn on how you can spot trade and trade on futures on either Binance or OKX or any of the crypto exchange platforms, as well as how you can buy your crypto coins such as the Bitcoins and the rest. Okay, how you can sell your crypto, how you can even hold your crypto, and also learn a lot about airdrops and new tokens as well as new coins that will be listed. Okay, so this episode is going to be full of earnings on this platform. Okay, even if you are a newbie, you are going to understand every term, all the terminologies under cryptocurrencies. Okay, all the terminologies under cryptocurrencies, so that if you get to hear a certain word in crypto, you will be familiar with it and also know how to deal with such word. Okay, there are a lot that we are going to and I assure you that by the time that we will bring this episode to an end, you will get the in-depth knowledge about cryptocurrency and how you are going to make more money on the crypto space. Okay, yes, you are going to make more money on the crypto space, and in this episode I'm going to show you how I used $10 to earn my first $1,000 trading on spot trading on one of the coins that was listed. Okay, and how you are also going to use my strategy to earn more at the crypto space. Okay, so this is going to be the best. Okay, so just stay tuned and also subscribe. If you have not subscribed, just subscribe to this channel so that every new video that I will make concerning cryptocurrencies, you are going to get it and also understand every bit of information that I will explain in that particular video. So just stay tuned and also be with me to the end as we start our crypto journey right on this platform. Here's the Talk Tech. So our next video, we are going to talk about cryptocurrencies, what cryptocurrencies is all about, why cryptocurrencies, why do you have to choose cryptocurrencies, and what crypto coins you should hold, or what crypto coins you need to buy so as to get more profit, and what crypto coins have the best future that you are going to earn more on it. Okay, so just stay tuned and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.